Welcome to SoCal Training Team. Today's training is on facility setup. I'm going to teach you how to set up a facility. Now, this pretty much goes for any type of facility: adult residential facility, elderly facility, group home, short-term residential therapeutic program. I'm going to give you the basic facility setup, and this is geared towards getting licensed by Community Care Licensing. Facility setup. I'm going to try to start writing a little neater, guys. Facility setup. Okay, so I'm going to base this off of a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. 4-bed, 2-bath. Now, keep in mind that the setup is going to be the same, whether it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It doesn't matter. Don't let the number of beds throw you off, because what you want to focus on is the actual setup of the bedroom and the things that you need. So when Community Care Licensing, you're licensing your home, there are certain things that they come to your home to look for. Now, this is information I actually should be selling to you, to be honest with you, because these are things that I go out when I do facility setups, and this is part of my consulting. But I'm giving you guys a little gem here on what I look for when I go set up a facility. But most of you guys won't use this information anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. So let's say, and I'm going to set up 1 bedroom, and then all you have to do is replicate it for the other bedrooms, right? The bathroom is not too complex, but we are going to set up the whole entire house. So now let's do the bedroom first. What should be in a bedroom? And this is for all facilities. And so we're doing let's do 1 client per room, because that's what a lot of agencies want now. They only want 1 client per room. So 1 client per room. So that means you got a 4-bedroom, you're taking 4 clients. You got a 3-bedroom, you're taking 3 clients, so on and so forth. So let's set up a bedroom. So in a bedroom, I want a full-size bed. I want a dresser drawer. I want it to be the 4 drawer. We want a nightstand. With lamp. Lamp is the key. Have to have a lamp on there. You need closet space. And the only reason why, I know you guys will say, no, duh, like, I know I need closet space, but believe it or not, you have some bedrooms and they don't have a closet in there. It's just a room, and you can set up a bed, a dresser, a nightstand, but you need to have closet space. It could be portable closet space, but it needs to have some type of closet space in there. This bedroom, let me back up. This bedroom has to be a decent size too. Most bedrooms are usually 10 by 10, I think. I think that's about the average size. So the bed, it has to be a decent size for us to fit this stuff in here. So we want a full-size bed, dresser drawer, nightstand with lamp. We need closet space. We need a chair. It doesn't have to be a ginormous, this big, extravagant chair. It could be a folding chair, one of the cushion folding chairs. Something that they can store away. Or if you can fit it in there, if you want to go all out, you could put a lazy boy in there, or you could put a more comfortable chair in there. But the requirement is you just need some type of chair in there. And it could be, most of us, our bedrooms aren't really large, especially in the older homes. So you want a chair that is foldable, so that way they can put it in the closet or they can store it away to the side. So you need a chair. You need good lighting. When I say good lighting, it needs to be bright in that bedroom, not just from the window, opening the window, and that's the type of lighting, but you need good lighting. It could be in the ceiling, it could be a torch lamp, it could be any type, but you need bright lighting in that room. So I should put bright lighting. And then we're going to kind of go back to this bed a little bit here because this bed has to be set up a certain way. You need a fitted sheet. Well, sorry, not the fitted sheet first. So we need to build this bed out because they're going to look for certain things on this bed. Licensing, they're going to look for certain things. So we need a mattress pad. We need a fitted sheet. We need a flat sheet. We need a comforter. Of course, you need pillows. I know you guys are laughing. You would say, yeah, obviously, you need pillows because some of you guys won't use pillows. You need pillows, and then you need a throw blanket. Remember, you're setting up all these bedrooms the same. What I like to put on before I put the mattress pad on as a bonus, I usually put them, I forget what they're called, but they're sheetings. It's a mattress protector. I think that's what they call it. But it's heavy duty. So if you have a client that urinates in the bed, it won't ruin the mattress. So I like to put that protective cover sheeting on the mattress first. Then I put the mattress pad, the fitted sheet, the flat sheet, the comforter, your pillows, and then you have an extra throw blanket that you put at the foot of the bed. Now, all your bedrooms are going to be set up the same way. Then we're going to put some pictures on the wall, right? We're going to make this homey. Really homey environment. We're going to put pictures on the wall. Theme your rooms different things. Maybe you want to do a nature room. Maybe you want to do a sports room. Maybe you want to do a abstract art room. Whatever comes to mind, that's how you want to set up that room. So this is your basic setup for a bedroom, not very complex. Just to recap, full-size bed, dresser drawer, 4 drawers, nightstand, has to have a lamp on that nightstand. Closet space, you need to have adequate closet space. You need to have some type of chair, whether it's a fold-away chair, a lazy boy chair, I don't care what it is. You need good lighting, good bright lighting. When I walk in that room, it shouldn't feel dark and dreary. It should be bright and refreshing. On that full-size bed, they're looking for, at a minimum, mattress pad, fitted sheet, flat sheet, a comforter, pillows, and an extra blanket. Another thing that you need, so this is for your bed setup, that you have all these items. You need at least 2 sets. One would be on the bed, and the extra one is for a change during the week. And so that's your bedroom setup. So you guys could rewind and revisit that if you need to, because I'm going to erase it. And I'm going to move on to the next part of the house. So that's your bedroom. Pretty simple. If you have these things, you'll pass. Trust me. If you want me to come check for you guys, I could do that too, depending on where you live. All right, so now let's move to, so the bedroom is set up. We got the bedroom down packed. Let's go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, these are going to be some obvious things, but some people still may have questions about it. You need a refrigerator. You need a stove. Or oven. Most are the same, right? Stove, oven. You need a dining table. That seats at least 6. Because you figure you're going to have your your 4 clients and maybe 2 extra people, so you need to seat at least 6. You need dining ware. And when I say that, I'm talking about forks, spoons, knives, etc. You get what I'm getting at. You need to have all that. You need to have pots and pans. Also, I think that's about it for your kitchen. I don't think I'm missing anything. Kitchen is pretty straightforward. A lot of common sense things, right? You can have a microwave. That's nice to have. Just set it up as you were going to live there for your kitchen. Pretty straightforward on the kitchen. Now let's go to the kitchen. Now I know in a lot of the newer homes, the kitchen and the dining room are kind of meshed together. So you guys understand you just need a dining table somewhere in that area for dining. And then let's set up. So we did the bedroom, most important, the dining/kitchen area. If it's not in the same area, you want to make sure that you accommodate those with wherever your dining room table is going to be and that your kitchen is set up and ready to go. Family room. Sometimes in the newer homes, the family room is connected with the kitchen/the dining room. It's just one big open floor plan. So obviously, you're going to have some type of TV in there. You're going to have TV, sofa, love seat, coffee table. Those are about the main things that you need in your family room. I like to have some type of video game system. Just buy a video game system used. And then I like to have board games. That's the basic setup for your family room to make it accommodating. Hang your TV on the wall. The flat panel TVs are cheap enough now. So that's your family room. Pretty straightforward. So that's the inside. Believe it or not, guys, that's the inside of your home. Your bathroom is not really a setup. Your bathroom is already there. It just needs to be clean and neat. One thing I need to say for your bathroom, I guess I should talk about the linen a little bit for the bathroom, the towels. So for your bathroom, somewhere, not necessarily in the bathroom, but maybe in the hallway, wherever your cabinets are, you need to have towels. Face towels. And I like to have 2 per person. Or more. That's the minimum. You can do more. You can do 3, 4 towels per person. You should be washing once a week anyway. So for your bathroom, you need to make sure there's nothing really to set up in your bathroom. It's a bathroom. For your bathroom, I don't put hand towels in there. I don't put community towels where people can dry their hands. I use paper towels in the bathroom. But 2 towels per person at least. Also remember for the bedroom, you need to have an extra set of all the sheet, the fitted, the flat, the comforter, the throw blankets. You need to have an extra set. So you need to have at least 2 sets. So you need to have extras. So let's move to the outside now. A lot of people miss this on the outside. So hopefully you don't have a home with the pool. If you do have a home with the pool, that's a whole nother video that I would have to do set up. But hopefully you don't have a home. Outside is a pretty easy setup as well. In the front yard, you don't really need anything. It's just the backyard. And it's real simple for the backyard. In the backyard, you need patio furniture. So let me be more specific. You need a table. an umbrella, and you need about 6 chairs. And then if you want to add bonus to it, I'll have some type of barbecue grill out there. And then you can put games out there. I forget the game, the beanbag toss game. I like those games for the guys. So that's a good one. But outside is a pretty simple setup. I know I'm literally, you guys see how simply I'm explaining this process? That's literally what I do when I go to a facility. That's how I break it down. I break it down that simple. I focus on the bedroom first. I go to the kitchen. I do the dining area / family area, however the house is set up. And you don't have to make it complex. You want to simplify it. You want it to be nice and clean and bright when they come to the house, because that makes a big difference. You don't want it to appear as if it's going to be a residential facility. You want it to appear as if you live there yourself, because that goes a long way with community care licensing and with any other agency that you're going to work with. Your placement agencies, it goes a long way with them as well. So you want to ensure that when you're investing in furnishing your property and all these different rooms, that you're taking your time, you're buying quality items. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. You just need nice, clean, sturdy furniture. I always suggest that you invest in some good, solid furniture, because things will be broken. So this is an example for a facility setup for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 client per room. Now, there are setups that may include 2 clients per room, but I'll do that on another video. But I just wanted to give you the basic facility setup of what I look for when I do a walkthrough of your home. And thank you for watching another one of our videos. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.